so ice cold, good humor. They say I'm out of my mind, standing on the outside, but it's cooler, it's fresher. I like it here.
Hi guys, it's Kayla and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will be doing another hair unboxing. So you should see the look, this makeup look, before you see this video. So yes, I recorded that look first on this makeup store. So if you haven't checked that out, please go check it out. But yes, we're doing another hair unboxing from Dynasty. Okay, so this is a wig. So all their wigs come packaged just like this in a box, and it says undetectable unit, can be installed in 5 minutes or less. So, and then on the front it has the website. Sorry if I keep looking this way, I'm making sure I'm in focus and y'all can see me. So when you open it like this, and this will come in it. This is how it comes. So like I said in my other unboxing video, you always get a pen. It might be different colors, but you always get a pen. And I got some more hair ties. Sorry if my voice sound a little discombobulated. Girl trying to get over this cold. But you get the same card like the last time. So how to take care of your hair. They promoting the flat irons. Is it upside down? I'm sorry. They're flat irons. Thank you for shopping. And the affirm. So then you get your unit. So all of their wigs comes packaged in the little bag like so, and then it tells you what you got. So it says model, it says Kayla model 24 straight hair lace frontal wig. That's what it says on my little slip. And then again, it comes in a hairnet, like all of their hair comes in the hairnet. So this is a custom wig, so it's supposed to be custom to your head shape. So, and then inside it came with it. So here is the wig. But like I was saying, all wigs come accustomed to you. So when you order a wig off their website, it asks you like the cap size and all of that. So I had asked for a 613 wig, straight wig with a bang. So this is what she looks like. Oh, if I'm gonna be able to show it to you. She has a bang. As you can see, it's a lace frontal wig. This is how it comes. It comes with comb, and it also comes with like adjustable straps. Yes. So, oh, I'm just got her every which way. But yeah, she's 24 inches long. She's really full. I can't tell you the density because I don't know the density on this wig, but this is what she looks like. I'm trying to make sure I'm showing it to you guys. Okay, so I put her on the mannequin so you can see. But sorry for all the noise. But yes, this is what she looking like. She has a bang, and let me turn her around and show you the back. I'm gonna just take it off of the. So this is what she looking like. She's full. These are the ends of the hair, and this is the front of the hair, so y'all can see. This is the front of the hair. and it flows. She's really flowy. So yes, you guys, I love this bang. But like I said, I'm gonna come back with the install, but I am going to tone her out. Like, I don't like the yellow, so I'm gonna tone her to like the ash blonde. Like, I'm gonna just use the Shimmer Light shampoo and dip her in there, and just get the yellow out of it, because I don't really like the yellow look. But yeah, if I decide to do anything else, I'll come back on camera and show you guys. And I might do a video on me installing this wig, so you guys see how I install my wigs. But yes, that is all for this video. I know it's very short, like it's really just to show you guys the hair, tell you the specs on the hair and so forth. But yes, that is all for today's video. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Also be sure to subscribe and comment any type of videos that y'all want me to see, or like want me to see, or comment any videos y'all want me to record, or just let me know how I'm doing if y'all like the videos that I'm putting out. But yeah, that's all. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.